The 13th International Aerospace Show, MAX 2017, has kicked off in the Russian town of Shukovsky near the capital Moscow. Corporations and companies from nearly 40 countries, including Iran, are participating in this air show. Emi Coloma reports.
As well as demonstrating Russia's domestic aviation prowess, the air show has attracted more than 790 aerospace companies from 26 nations and areas. Russian President Vladimir Putin attended the opening ceremony and then paid a visit to an exhibition area featuring Chinese aviation. During the air show, 8 internationally renowned aerobatics teams, like the Russian Knights and Sweeps and the UAE Knights, are set to perform their daring formations. The 13th edition of Air Show will last for 6 days. The first 3 days will see a wide range of business round table talks, symposiums, and the signing of aviation equipment purchase agreements among different nations. The biennial MAX Air Show, which was first staged in 1993, aims at showcasing the latest Russian high-tech aerospace products and the promoting business opportunities with international partners.